Hello, Coral Presentation Level 2. Introduce myself. My trio through the site of Pereira, the weather in Pereira. The recommendation is to go you to Pereira. My name is Washington Tenorio. I am from Colombia. I live in Puerto Tejada, Cauca. I have 33 years old. I work at KTSA in student business administration. I live with my mother, sister. I live and play soccer. A TV student. Thank you for your presentation. Before I say my holidays were in Pereira. It is very beautiful site with very friendly people. It has many places to be seen, such Santa Rosa de Cabal, Victoria, and Tea Park. It was 2 years ago, Holy Week. I went with my friend. We spent a week enjoying that beautiful site in 300 euros. I stayed the site and I like the Santa Rosa Thermal and that I do for relax and the tour to my house because the holidays ended. The climate in Pereira is very cool. In the morning, it's cool. In the afternoon, sunny. In the night, it's very cool. Sleep. I recommend umbrella. It is recommended to people good thermal. It recommendation beautiful landscape. Going the contrast of the heat, of the temperature, of the thermal and the cool of the climate. It is recommended food on the site. It's necessary to visit the park. Recommendation: you should do ecology tourism in Pereira. You should make hotel reservation before traveling, or to use megabus to travel around the city. You should not through the city without blocker. You should not lower your swimsuit and you better not forget to enjoy the nightclubs of the city. Thank you. Bye bye.